Time for the word on Wall Street. Top investors watching your money this morning. Joining me now, Mahoney Asset Management CEO Ken Mahoney, Bulltech Capital Markets Chief Strategist Catherine Rooney Vera, and Michael Lee, Strategy Founder Michael Lee. Mike, the Wall Street Journal, speaking to the Federal Reserve, says upcoming Fed rate increases are weighing on stocks. We learned last year the Fed expects to raise interest rates 3 times this year, with inflation staring them right in the face. Does that make you more or less bullish? You say the bearish sentiment makes you believe the risk is to the upside. Explain that.
Yeah, absolutely. So first of all, in terms of having a very good year in stocks this year, history is on your side. The average return after a year of 25% plus returns is 14%. So you're up roughly 90% of the time after a huge up year, and that average return is 14%. When you have a double-digit fourth quarter, I believe we're up 10% in the fourth quarter. On average, the next quarter's up 5%. There's a lot of momentum behind that, and I'd say that really holds true here. No one is pounding the table saying go out, buy stocks, go much higher. So as stocks drift higher, all this bearish sentiment means that most people are either sitting in cash or positioned against the market, which as you start getting some momentum to the upside, you have those short sellers reversing those positions. You have cash coming in from the sidelines. So as Ken mentioned, if the Fed does raise 5 or 6 times, if they start with balance sheet runoff much quicker, where they haven't even announced it yet, but if they get aggressive with that, that could absolutely derail the markets. But the average market return during the rate raising cycle is up 8%. So we're in an expanding economy, a bullish market, and in terms of a bull market in terms of Wall Street sentiment. This is the first time in my career, if we have a low mid-single digit return, that everyone's been right. That's entirely where the consensus is, and typically when the consensus is saying one thing, that's not what happens.
Thank you so much, Catherine. Catherine Rooney Vera and Michael Lee. Ken Mahoney, you're with us all morning long. Great to see both of you. Happy New Year. We'll see you much in the new year.